Starting around 13 July 2023, Theta organization in a real sense is exchanging at 78 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3% in absolute most recent 60 minutes. Theta explicitly has a kind of truly complete market cap of $779,003,566, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $15,726,695, which really is genuinely huge. This sort of makes Theta organization, Theta, truly positioning at 52 in the digital money market. So starting around 13 July 2023, Theta organization explicitly is exchanging at 78 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3% in certainly most recent 60 minutes, which in a real sense is very critical. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Theta organization cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Theta organization fundamentally be really worth in 2023? Which is very huge. Is Theta organization an excellent speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they especially thought. Will Theta cost generally outperform its unequaled high in an unobtrusive manner? These generally are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future in an extremely significant manner, or so they thought. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2023. As per the Theta organization conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Theta cost is supposed to basically cross a very normal value level of 87 cents, the normal pretty least value worth of Theta organization, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to basically be 83 cents, or so they basically thought. Besides, Theta can generally arrive at an in every practical sense, certainly greatest value level of 97 cents, or so they generally thought. Theta value conjecture July 2023, in July 2023. The cost of Theta organization for the most part is estimated to be at around a truly least worth of 70 cents in a huge manner. The Theta organization value worth can fundamentally arrive at a truly limit of 79 cents, with the essentially normal exchanging worth of 77 cents in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Theta organization value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the very greatest cost for Theta organization could truly sort of stretch around 83 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Theta in August 2023 sort of is 76 cents, with a kind of typical cost of 79 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization value expectation September 2023. Theta organization cost truly is supposed to generally reach between 78 cents to 87 cents in September 2023. While the in every practical sense, normal cost of Theta for the September generally remains around 81 cents. Theta organization value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Theta organization by and large generally is supposed to basically be at around a fundamentally least of 79 cents. Theta organization cost can basically arrive at a for the most part exceptionally limit of 90 cents, with the typical cost of 83 cents in United States dollars, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. Theta value figure November 2023. The Theta organization estimate for November 2023 expects that the Theta may sort of arrive at a very greatest worth of 94 cents, with a very least cost of around 81 cents, which explicitly is genuinely huge in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the truly normal value, Theta can for the most part truly stretch around 84 cents for November in a very huge manner. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation December 2023. The cost for Theta organization in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 83 cents and 97 cents, which for the most part is very huge. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to especially really be around 87 cents in an unobtrusive manner, Theta organization pass cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Theta network's cost, generally has shown an in every practical sense great increment of 2.29% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours in a kind of significant manner. From absolute most recent 7 days, the Theta explicitly was in essentially great vertical pattern and expanded by 2.11%, reasonably especially in spite of prevalent thinking in an unobtrusive way. Theta organization in every practical sense has shown exceptionally areas of strength for lovely of certainly potential recently, and this could be excellent chance to sort of dive right in and generally put resources into an unpretentious way, or so they thought. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta basically diminished by 32.729%, killing an incredible sort of normal amount of 38 cents from its sort of current worth, which really is very huge. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a sort of genuinely great for the most part, truly purchase an open door for sort of speedy interest in a very significant manner. The 90 days cost change outrageously is near 26.09%, and the cost most certainly flowed from an essentially least certainly normal cost of 97 cents to fundamentally sort of greatest kind of normal cost of $1.06 in the truly beyond 90 days in a quite enormous manner, or so they thought. In by and large most recent 4 months, Theta organization has shown a developing pattern, kind of beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking, which generally is genuinely critical. Hence, we most certainly believe that comparative pieces of the market really were very famous at that period in a fundamentally significant manner. As per the fundamentally the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Theta organization explicitly is expanded from 4 months in an unpretentious manner. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job and its cost, or so they generally thought. The coin sort of is up by 3.21%, with the truly greatest exceptionally normal cost of the coin, by and large generally was around 78 cents, and the by and large least extremely normal cost of generally was around 76 cents in extremely beyond 4 months, actually quite in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta Organization Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will explicitly in every practical sense be Theta Organization by and large worth in 2023? Which truly is very critical. The Theta cost for the most part is determined to for the most part in every way that really matters, arrive at a greatest degree of 97 cents, with by and large for the most part least cost of 83 cents, toward the finish of 2023, which sort of is genuinely huge. Does Theta organization most certainly explicitly have a future, especially in spite of prevalent thinking in a significant way? As far as value, Theta organization has an exceptional sort of potential to arrive at new levels in an unpretentious manner especially. It is figure that Theta will increment in esteem, showing how Theta organization value estimate 2023 facts what will for the most part be Theta organization, especially worth in 2023. As indicated by lovely especially unambiguous specialists and business investigators, Theta organization can raise a ruckus around town. The most exorbitant cost of $4.43 till 2030, showing that as per essentially unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Theta organization can raise a ruckus around town, most exorbitant cost of $4.43 till 2030, or so they fundamentally thought. Is Theta organization sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in a very quite huge manner? Theta Network's worth especially is supposed to fundamentally basically keep on growing, as lack will in general explicitly energize cost rise, so as per especially unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Theta organization can for the most part